In this video, I will show you how to create a new signature in Gmail. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first thing I want you to do is log into your Gmail account. The next thing we are going to do is we're going to come to settings, and we're going to go to see all settings. And then from here, we're going to scroll down until we come to signature. Now, on the signature, you can see where it says create new. This is where you're going to click to create new, and you're going to label the signature the name that you want to name it. But I like to name my signatures in accordance to what I want to use them for. So if I do media, this is the label for the signature, and in here you're going to type what the signature actually is. So this identifies this signature. This is a signature, but this identifies it. And once you go down, you're going to click on save. And just like that, you've been able to create a new signature in Gmail. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next one, see ya.